solve this equation. X squared divided by 3 plus 48 divided by x squared equal 10 and multiply x divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 8. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it or this, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, we go to the solution together. To solve this equation, we do not use divisor required. Okay, now I use this trick. You see that 8, 3 and minus 4 divided by 8. And this, I can take this. Okay, I take 3 are of factors. So now this, but we must use that we have catch that 8 is not equal to 0 out the equation. And now this, I take 3 out of factors. Then we get 3, okay, 3, and multiply x squared and divide by 9, and plus this 16 and divide by x squared. You see, if we multiply it, we simplify it, we get 3, and this we get 48, and it's equal 10, and multiply divide by 3 and minus 4 and divide by 8, and it's equal this. I can write 3 and multiply this 8 divided by 3 all squares and minus this 8, okay, 2, and multiply 8 divided by 3 and plus 4, and multiply 3 and multiply 4 divided by 8 and plus 4 divided by 8 all squares, and plus this, we simplify it, and this we get 8 divided by 3 plus 8 divided by 3, and this is equal this 10 and multiply 8 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 8. Okay, this I get is 3. This use the derivative we have a squared minus 2 a b and plus b squared is equal a minus b all squared. And so this we get is equal 8 divided by 3 and minus 4 divided by 8 all squared and plus 8 divided by 3, okay, and equal this 10 and multiply 8 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 3. You see this half 8 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 8, divided by 8. And so now I let it the another variable, that's let h is equal to 8 divided by 3 and minus 4 divided by 8. And so now this I get this 3 and multiply this a squared and plus 8 divided by 3 and equal 10a. And we multiply in, we get 3a squared plus 8 equal 10a. And now I change 10a from the right side to the left hand side, and it gets 3a squared minus 10a and plus 8 is equal 0. And so this we get, okay, we use that it's, you know, that discriminant is equal minus 10 all squares and minus 4 and multiply 3 and multiply 8 and equal this 100 and minus this we get 12, 12 and multiply 8 we get 6, and this 9, so 96 is equal 4. And so now this we get the square root of discriminant is equal the square root of 4 and equal 2. And so now we get the values of a is equal minus and minus 10 and plus 2 and divide by 2 and multiply 3 and equal 12 and divide by 6 and equal 2. And then a and equals minus and minus 10 minus 2 and divide by 2 and multiply 3 and equal, okay, 10 minus 2 we get 8 divided by 6 and we simplify we get 4 divided by 3. Okay, so for case 1 a equal 2. So we get the values of 8 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 8 is equal to. And now this we divisor require. Okay. Okay, so now we get x squared minus 12 is equal 6x. And this we change 6x from the right side to the left hand side, and we get x and minus 6x in minus 12 is equal 0. Okay, so this I use the rule that discriminant is equal minus 6 or squares. Okay, minus 4 and multiply 1 and multiply minus 12 and equal 13 and plus this 48 and equal 84. And now this we get the square root of discriminant is equal square root of 84 and equal to square root of 21. And this we get the values of 8 is equal to minus and minus 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 21 and divide by 2 and multiply 1. And we get 8 is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 21 and divide by 2. And now we simplify with 2. We get 8 is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 21. And now case 2. Okay. Case 2. A equal 4 divided by 3. And so that 8 divided by 3 and minus 4 divided by 8 is equal 4 divided by 3. And now this we take divide requires, we get squares and minus, okay, 12, okay, equal the 4 8, and this we get x squared minus 4 8 and minus 12 is equal 0, and this we get discriminant is equals to minus 4 or squares and minus 4 and multiply 1 and multiply minus 12 and equal 16 and plus 48 and equal 64. Okay, equal 64. And now this we get the square root of discriminant is equal square root of 64 and equal 8. And this 8 equal minus and minus 4 and plus 8 divided by 2 and multiply 1 equal 4 plus 8 divided by 2 and we get 6. Okay, and h is equal minus and minus 4 and plus 8 divided by minus 8 divided by 2 and multiply 1. We get 4 minus 8 divided by 2 and we get minus 2. So now this we get the values of 8 is equal 6 and equals minus 2 and equal 3 plus or minus square root 21 is our answer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.